Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to get mending books in Minecraft 1.21. Let's get started. First, head to a village and find an unemployed villager. Once you've found one, move them into a small house or hole so they can't escape. Now you'll need 3 items: lectern, sticky piston, and button. Then break a block near the villager and place the sticky piston, then put the lectern on top. Then the villager should immediately become a librarian. Now interact with the villager and check their trades. If you see a mending book, you're done. If not, don't worry, place a button on the piston and press it. This will push the lectern away, removing the villager's job. After a moment, the villager will take the job again and the trades will reset. Keep repeating the process until you get the mending book trade. It usually only takes a few minutes. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.